Yo, what's up? Posible kaya na magtapat ang dalawang ito? Iman Bacosa Pacquiao versus Emmanuel Jamuel Pacquiao. Ano sa palagay nyo? Kung maglalaban ang dalawang ito, sino kaya ang mananalo? Ang tanong, hindi naman sila magkaparehas ng timbang, pero possible na magharap ang dalawa sa ibabaw ng ring. Alright, ako si Baynad TV ay nakikiusap muli na kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, mga idol, ay huwag mo namang ipagdamot ang iyong subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang hit notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video ngayon. Bye-bye, salamat, and God bless po.
Dun. Eman! Ready! Back! Bawal sa likod ha, bawal sa batok, bawal sa batok.
Harap man, harap, huwag mo sundan man. Pali, bigla mo. Sa order yan, sa order.
Stop, 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 step back, step back. Hold your punch. Back.
Kabilaan man, kabilaan. Patupin tayo mo. Man, okay naman. Okay na, back. Pali, bigla.
No holding, no holding. Bring it up, bring it up. No holding. No holding, Eman. No holding. Yes, okay lang. No holding, Eman. Ay, Eman, no. Nico. Last 10. Hey, stop. Bring it up.
Ayon sa mga naririnig ko, ay mabigat ang kamao ni Iman Bacosa Pacquiao. Ngunit pag nasapul ka, ay may tulog ang kalaban. Kaya konting ensayo lang dito sa bata na ito. Ganyan din nagsimula si Manny Pacman Pacquiao sa mundo ng boxing.
Huwag mo papiluin man! Huwag mo papiluin! Saan tigan? Yan! Balik ka pala!
Stop. No punch. Okay, no punch. Yeah. Headbutt yan, no punch. Stop. Man. Ready.
Man, sa ilalim man.
Back.
Pababa.
Stop. Ready, yeah. Iman, doon ka lang, Iman. Ingat sa ulo, ha? Bawal yun, ha? Bawal sa ulo. Okay. Okay, ready? Box! No, 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 no. Ready? Box! That's it! Stop, 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 stop!
Tila may napansin ang referee na mukhang basa ang muka ng kalaban. Kaya pinatigil muna. Hudyat ito na nahihirapan ang kalaban.
A bit of swelling there on the top of Salado's left eye. Developing because of all of those right connections. Here's Salado once more. Three jabs in succession. Oh, making contact with Bacosa. Seeing some jabs here from Bacosa. Continues to follow up with the right. That's going to be swelling. Right, which is also going to happen to Salado. Both fighters just eyeing each other here. Someone's got to initiate like that.
Stop, stop, stop. No pass, no pass, no pass. Break, break. Good, good.
He's not initiating, he's waiting for Salado to come in. Let's see what he does here as he makes his adjustment. Salado once more.
Nasa ulo. Stop, stop. Play, box.
Minute gone here. Here in round number 3. So far, Bacosa is really reach advantage of this.
Break, 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 break.
Salado can't come forward because of that big reach advantage of Bacosa. He's got to be able to throw Bacosa, move inside, get inside, punch him. He keeps getting time as he tries to come in, Benito.
Ulo, ha? Ulo, ulo,
That's
ulo.
exactly what
Ingat sa
Bacosa
ulo.
has in mind.
Bring it up,
He's
bring it up.
anticipating the
Bring it up.
moves of Salado coming forward, and then he throws his punches before Salado is able to connect.
Stop, stop, stop.
The right thing to do because of Bacosa's reach advantage. And he knows that Salado has to take a few more steps forward before he can throw his punches. And as he prepares to launch, Bacosa's already hitting it. Once again, using that reach advantage against Bacosa. A minute now in round number 3. We're scheduled for 6. I remember when Bacosa turned draw back in round 3, his first professional fight, he was held to a split draw by Janelle Kutyamat. But since then, he has rattled off 6 straight wins. Wild swing by Salado again because of that reach disadvantage. He's not able to reach his target.
Box.
Like Salado is trying to get lucky here, but he connects with the left. That's a good adjustment on the part of Salado. All anticipated by Bacosa. Bacosa was throwing
Sa laban nilang ito ay mukhang isipait lang kay Iman Bacosa Pacquiao. Ganun pa man mga idol, ay agresibo ang kalaban.
Bacosa is not expecting that overhead. Right now,
Ingat sa ulo. Pangalawa, pangalawa na.
Salado's really doing the right thing. It's got to be this infighting where he can take advantage. He's looking more and more desperate here. Trying to find his Bacosa, a series of left jabs with no answer from Salado and more left jabs coming through. All of them connected, all of them scored. And then that wild swing once more by Salado and missing everything. At the same time, Bacosa's got to be careful with all those wild swings. Salado, if one of those swings manages to connect, that could be very damaging. Again, successive lefts connecting here for Bacosa. Bacosa's going to throw that right. Throwing the left jab, he's going to throw that right straight. Right after. Looks like he's saving it for one big punch, Kenito. We go once more. With Salado crowding Bacosa. And once Salado does that, then Bacosa is not able to throw that left jab.
First warning.
The left jab of Bacosa, that sets up the right. Here's
Ready?
referee Duga giving
Iman, Iman, Iman.
Salado
Box.
a warning for holding. And here he comes once more. He's got to attack, that's what he's doing. But again, he's going to get a warning there for leading with his head. Absolutely no respect by Salado for Bacosa, which is the way it should be. I don't think that's a
Nagkaroon dito ng knockdown, kaya mabibilangan ng referee ang kalaban.
So another knockdown scored here by Bacosa.
Okay ka lang?
I thought that might have been a slip. I also thought that Bacosa threw a punch while Salado was down. Correct. Here we go once more.
Right. And Salado doing the right thing. He needs to be able to just get as close as he possibly can. But he's getting tagged on the way in.
He's pouring in. He's just looking for that one lucky punch that could end this fight and swing it to his favor. Because Pacosa is just dominant at this point.
Final seconds here of round number 4. 2 more coming up after this one.
Again, a wild swing by Salado.
Makikita sa slow-mo na maraming patama si Iman Bacosa Pacquiao. Kaya naman binilangan ito ng referee ng knockdown.
Oh, that was ruled a knockdown. While he was down, lightweight encounter, a 6-rounder. Both fighters weighing a little over the lightweight limit of 135. Both fighters also very young. Pacosa is 21 years old. Salado is 20 years old.
Well, definitely still a lot of fights ahead for these two gentlemen.
And Pacosa is measuring his opponent now.
And he connects with the left. So again, you see Salado just trying to come in as quickly as he possibly can.
Pacosa might have caught him with an elbow as Salado was coming through. Here's more jabs. And that's exactly what Pacosa needs to do to stave off charging Salado. Good job with his boxing technique here. Pacosa.
Looks like Salado's willing to take those jabs as long as he can throw that haymaker that he hopes to connect. Out of lefts once again.
Salado with that left jab. And it's timing the momentum of Salado, not able to get his rhythm because that left jab keeps on keeping him away from Pacosa. Right hand coming from Salado. Now, take note that out of his 2 victories in his record, Salado scored one knockout. That's a 50% rate of scoring a knockout in his record.
And there he is once again.
Minutes to go. Pacosa fighting out of the MP Boxing Gym in General Santos City. And Salado is Tuero Mapol. Swings there by Salado. Such a dangerous fighter. As I mentioned earlier, if one of those swings manages to get through and connects,
Well, he does have power with that right hand. He did push his cane here.
good head movement there by Pacosa. That's what you need. Part of the tools of defensive makeup is head movement. Pacosa seems to be doing a good job moving his head. Shots. Solid.
A minute gone here in our final round. Again, just plowing in is Salado.
You got Pacosa. Throwing that right hand. Salado is outside the ring. Again, because of his lunges, he's not able to control his momentum. And he was thrown off balance. Good job there by Pacosa because he moved away from harm's way. And as a result, Salado found himself almost outside of the ring, in between hips.
Approaching the 1-minute mark here of our 6th and final round. Crouching a little bit too low here is Pacosa.
You're not gonna need that blow. But you can't tuck away the waistline.
Now he gets tagged.
Salado, once more, that's what I was saying. This guy's dangerous. Right hand, he connects. He's got some power.
Salado's going for broke here. Look for that really lucky punch to turn the tide.
This fight.
Once again, wants to end this early.
Might have hurt Salado.
At kung umabot ka muli sa dulo ng aking video mga idol, ay huwag mo namang ipagdamot ang iyong subscribe at pindutin mo na rin ang hit notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video. At huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like and share. Bye bye, salamat idol, God bless.